Hey guys, just quick update on the day trades I took yesterday. Currently for the 10 positions from GELYY down to CWH, we are up about, on our winning positions, we are up about one, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We are up about 15% on our winning positions, and we are down about 1, 2, 3. We're down about 3% on our losing position. So total, we are up about 12%, I think, overall from our 10 day trades that we took yesterday. So CWH all the way up to GELYY, we are up about 12% on all of our positions. We are up 5% from yesterday, which was, I think, yesterday we were up 7%. It jumped up to 12%. I will be selling these day trades as soon as I can, pre-market, but just to kind of let you guys know, it's, you guys can see the total return right there. Equity, I mean, I really put $10 on every single one. This is just a day trade strategy, like maybe if you want to like start day trading for beginners and stuff, to just kind of get a feel of it. I have been doing this for a while, and it is pretty consistent. It actually works pretty well. But yeah, just updating you guys on this. Works pretty well.